Hello. I'm excited to introduce you to our user-friendly Ethereum solo staking platform, Staked Finance 2, designed to safeguard your Ethereum while earning a reasonable dividend. On the initial screen, connect your MetaMask wallet to the SF2 platform. If you don't have a MetaMask account, sign up on Google Chrome and link your hot or cold wallet to it. Then, sign up and log in with your email and password on the SF2 platform. Take a look at the dashboard. This dashboard offers quick access to your stake and withdrawal options. You can view your rewards, monitor transactions, see your validators and their activities in detail, and view your total staked Ethereum at the top. This is where you can start staking. Choose the number of validators you wish to create. The running cost for each validator is about $1 per day, or the equivalent in ETH or FTX. For more details, click on Pricing. Your withdrawal address is tied to your MetaMask wallet. It is immutable and cannot be changed by anyone. Click Understand and Continue to deposit the required ETH to your validators. You can track your transactions, including the approximate 3% return provided by the official Ethereum network, and view transaction details in Etherscan. Rewards are sent directly to your MetaMask wallet almost daily. You can export transaction details, sort by date, and tally data for analysis or audit. To monitor your validators, check your active validators' uptime and detailed information via beacon chain links. Your validators need credits to keep them running. Top up and view your credits right here. Each credit runs one validator per day. Discounts are available for 12-month top-ups or more via ETH and FTX. Top up now to lock in your rate and protect against future price changes. To exit and withdraw your validators, you can use any of these three available options. 1. Select the specific validators you want to exit and withdraw from. 2. From the withdrawal section, select the number of random validators to exit, or 3. Use your private 24 keywords and follow manual withdrawal instructions as a contingency. And that's it. Simple and straightforward. Our non-custodial SF2 platform safeguards your Ethereum and earns you a reasonable return. You can also print your payment history and account statements monthly, or use the export button for further analysis.